Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Oppo RGX browser and I'm going to show you how can you easily reset all of your settings to defaults. At first we have to go to the settings by clicking this gear icon on the left. Now as you can see, as we are in the settings, we have to scroll all the way down, and as you can see, advanced, we have to click on advanced and scroll all the way down too. Here as you can see, we have reset settings. Restore settings to their original defaults. We have to click on it, and as you can see, this will revert your search engine to its default, remove pinned tabs, and reset browser settings. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies, your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. We have to click reset. Now our web browser will restore to the defaults. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.